Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can see your sales numbers on Etsy, so let's get right into it. First, let me start off by saying I'll be using this guide because I'm having trouble setting up an Etsy store because I don't want to enter any fraudulent information, but I am not going to use my real information because I'm not actually going to be selling, so I'm just going to be using this to make things easier for both me and you. So let's get right into it. Now, you can find your Etsy number of sales in your public shop, your orders page, and your stats page. And for the public shop, you just need to go into Etsy.com, go into the shop manager, select Etsy under sales channels, and you'll see the number of sales on the left sidebar, and that will display your total sales numbers. Now, you can also do this through the stats page, which is also very simple to do. You can just go into Etsy.com, go into your shop manager again, then select stats, and you'll find the orders number under orders, and that is pretty much where you can find your total complete orders, and you'll see how many sales you've had. Now, other than that, you can also find your complete orders on the page. Just go into orders and select the completed tab, and that will show you exactly all the completed orders, which will of course count towards your sales. There might be orders that aren't yet completed, so if you want to count them as potential sales or count them in the total number of sales, you can. However, if you want 100% fully completed orders, you just go to this page and to that tab, and that should be pretty much it. And that is all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.